What are the preparations you have made before the competitions?
Regular na practice, tamang pagkain at sapat na pahinga para sigurado ang katawan.
What is the most challenging part as a basketball player?
Ang pressure na manalo at ang posibilidad na injuries.
What are the problems you have encountered before, during, and after the game?
Nervyos bago maglaro, pagod at injuries habang naglalaro at disappointment kapag natalo.
How you accept when you losing a game and when after the game?
Tanggapin ng pagkakatalo bilang aral at maging masaya pagkatapos manalo.
What is the worst practice you ever endured?
Yung may matinding conditioning at mahabang drills.
Is there a particular significance to your jersey number?
Paboritong numero ay may special na kahulugan sa akin.
How do you channel your frustration when the referee's decision doesn't go your way?
Kalmado lang at focus. Focus sa laro at huwag magpapalag.
What advice has the coach given you that you'll always remember?
Laging maging disiplinado at magtrabaho ng mabuti.
What tips would you give to someone going out for basketball?
Practice ng mabuti, maging team player at huwag sumuko.
What has basketball taught you that carries over into the other areas of your life?
Disiplina, teamwork at pagtataga na magagamit sa lahat ng bagay.